heard a sound, a distant ring through fog that clouded everything. A whisper soft that called to me through silence where I used to be. Ignored at first, it grew in might, a beacon in the endless night, a clarity amidst the blur. It stirred a thought, a slight deter. When the bells ring true, they sing to me and you, a melody of truth breaking through the night through. No longer shall I hide, in confusion abide, for the bells ring clear and my path appears. Long accustomed to the shade, the light of truth felt like a blade, but in its glow I found my stance. Amidst the shadows I dared to dance. The ringing grew a steadfast sound. In its echo myself I found, no longer lost but found anew. In every chime the world I view.
A question forms from deep within. Why did I fade? Let darkness win. The bells they chime, a truth so pure. In their call I find my cure.
When the bells ring true, they sing to me and you, a melody of truth slicing through the gloom. With each clear toll, I reclaim my soul, for the bells ring out, dispelling every doubt. For the bells ring out, dispelling every doubt. Now in winter's cold embrace I find a stark and yielding grace. The bell's last call, a promise made. In their truth my fears are laid. No more shall silence bind my feet. With every ring my heart shall beat. When the bells ring true, a chorus for the